Greetings all. Welcome back to Wisdom Wednesday. I am Iforonke Dedre Prescott, and today we continue our journey within. Last week we honored the legacy of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. and his profound impact on our world. Today we dive into a topic inspired by the beautiful creatures at Atlanta's Aquarium, delving into the lessons we can learn from nature, particularly the beautiful and complex creatures of Atlanta's Aquarium. We will explore the balance between inner growth and outer achievements, and how they can lead to sustainable success. But what exactly is a sustainable success? Sustainable success is a form of achievement that does not come at the expense of our environment, our well-being, or the well-being of others. It is about creating a balanced life where our external accomplishments are aligned with our inner values and contribute positively to the world around us. What can these creatures teach us about our own lives? Let us begin this journey by observing the serene and diverse marine life that has so much to teach us. During my visit to Atlanta's Aquarium, the largest in the USA, I was mesmerized by the diversity and beauty of marine life. From the graceful movements of jellyfish to the majestic presence of whale sharks, each creature had a story to tell. These creatures, some rescued from extinction, live in carefully maintained environments that mimic their natural habitats. This brings us to an essential question. Are we merely curious about these creatures, or do we genuinely learn from them? Aquariums play a crucial role in conservation and education. But are we merely satisfying our curiosity, or are we genuinely learning from these creatures? With curiosity comes responsibility. Our fascination with these beings should extend beyond admiration to an understanding of our role in their lives. As humans, we often display a sense of hubris, taking the natural world for granted and not considering the profound impact we have on it. Many of us operate on rote behavior, viewing animals as commodities rather than sentient beings with families and complex social structures of their own. This lack of empathy and awareness can lead to cruelty and exploitation, making us at times the biggest predators in their world. Yet, these creatures support our world in countless ways, maintaining ecological balance and contributing to the health of our planet. It is crucial that we shift our perspective from one of dominance to one of stewardship, taking care of these beings responsibly and with empathy. This awareness can lead to more sustainable and respectful interactions with the animal kingdom. The ocean's depths are filled with mysteries, much like our inner selves. Human curiosity drives us to explore the unknown, but it is important to remember that, like the ocean, our emotions and spiritual teachings have layers waiting to be discovered. The ocean is probably the most unknown in our unknowns, but then we know nothing of space. Even our knowledge of our own bodies is limited. We know very little compared to how much there is to know. This metaphor of depth encourages us to look beyond the surface and delve deeper into our personal growth. Marine creatures live in harmony with their surroundings. Symbiotic relationships, natural rhythms, and adaptation are key to their survival. These creatures teach us about living in balance. This harmony is a powerful lesson for us. In our own lives, respecting the flow of nature and adapting to changes can lead to a balanced and fulfilling life. Dr. King once said, "We may have all come on different ships, but we are in the same boat now." Understanding and respecting nature humbles us and reminds us of our interconnectedness. Just as we explore the ocean, we must explore our inner selves with curiosity balanced by responsibility. The resilience of marine life teaches us to adapt and grow amidst challenges. We must respect the lives of these creatures, understanding that while their captivity allows us to appreciate their beauty, it also imposes a duty of care. This brings us to a broader reflection on our human hubris and the humility we need to adopt. On the topic of inner growth and outer achievements, we sometimes flip the script by erringly thinking that outer achievement is more and more material toys that suffocate our planet with excessive waste that is not biodegradable. This shows that we have not, by a long shot, achieved inner growth. How can we be sustained by nature and be her main demise? This brings us to the topic of our misplaced values. It seems as though we are being seduced by enemies of nature and all things natural, from the things we eat to the way we think. Our relentless pursuit of material wealth and consumerism often blinds us to the true essence of life and our role as caretakers of the earth. We must understand that material wealth and inner growth are not synonymous. Spiritual and material wealth do not necessarily resemble each other. In a world where advertisements are geared towards making us more attached to material things, it can be difficult to differentiate. True achievement lies not in accumulating material possessions, but in fostering a harmonious relationship with nature and within ourselves. Balancing curiosity with responsibility mirrors the balance between our inner growth and outer achievements. Engaging with the world around us, learning from it, and applying these lessons to our lives can lead to profound personal growth. This balance is essential for a fulfilling life. We must re-evaluate our values and priorities, understanding that true achievement lies not in accumulating material possessions, but in fostering a harmonious relationship with nature and within ourselves. Balancing curiosity with responsibility mirrors the balance between our inner growth and outer achievements. Engaging with the world around us, learning from it, and applying these lessons to our lives can lead to profound personal growth. This balance is essential for a fulfilling life. So, how do you incorporate these lessons into your daily practices? Here are a few suggestions. Mindful consumption. Conscious of your consumption habits. Choose products that are sustainable and environmentally friendly. Reduce waste by recycling and reusing whenever possible. Connect with nature. Spend time in nature regularly, whether it is walking in the park, a hike in the mountains, or simply sitting by the ocean. Connect with the natural world and reflect on its beauty and complexity. Practice empathy. Cultivate empathy by being aware of the impact of your actions on others, including animals and the environment. Make compassionate choices in your daily life. Educate yourself. Learn about the environmental challenges we face and what you can do to help. Share this knowledge with others to raise awareness and inspire change. Simplify your life. Focus on what truly matters. Let go of the need for excessive material possessions and find joy in simple, meaningful experiences. Now, let us take a moment for a guided meditation to cultivate awareness and empathy. Find a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. As you breathe in, imagine the breath filling your entire being with calm and clarity. As you breathe out, release any tension or stress. Picture yourself in a serene, natural setting, perhaps by the ocean or in a lush forest. Feel the ground beneath you and the gentle breeze on your skin. As you sit in this peaceful place, bring to mind the creatures we discussed today. Visualize the graceful jellyfish, the majestic whale shark, and the diverse marine life. Acknowledge their beauty and their role in the ecosystem. Now, extend your awareness to all living beings. Recognize that we are all interconnected, part of the same web of life. Reflect on the impact of your actions on the environment and on other beings. Feel a deep sense of empathy and responsibility. As you continue to breathe deeply, set an intention to live with greater awareness and compassion. Commit to making choices that honor and respect the natural world and all its inhabitants. When you are ready, gently open your eyes and return to the present moment. In today's episode, we have explored the balance between inner growth and outer achievements, drawing lessons from the resilience and harmony of marine life. Remember to approach life with humility and responsibility. Dr. King said, "Returning violence for violence multiplies violence, adding deeper darkness to a night already devoid of stars." This wisdom, echoed by Mahatma Gandhi's words, "An eye for an eye," only ends up making the whole world blind, reminds us that violence and imbalance reflect internal chaos. Our actions towards nature and each other must come from a place of respect and understanding. How do you incorporate these lessons into your daily practices? Share your reflections in the comments below. Join us next week as we continue our journey within, exploring new themes and insights. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Remember, the wisdom we seek is often found in the world around us. Until next time, stay mindful and purposeful.